Hi, I'm Craig with ApplianceVideo.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at this General Electric range light socket. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. You will need a multimeter for component testing. The main reason why you'd be needing to test out these components is if your light will not come on. Sometimes it can be rather irritating because your bulb might flicker in and out and you can't get it to stop. So the first thing I would do if your light bulb will not turn on is to test out the actual bulb. So let's go ahead and screw it out from here. I'm going to use an audible tone in to test out a light bulb if you do not see it damaged inside. You actually touch the edges and then the tip. So let's go ahead and touch the edges, then the tip, and that will show you that it has continuity. If it has continuity, that's telling me that the light bulb is good. The next thing you'll want to do is test out the actual socket here. And to do so, what you can do is you can turn your bulb all the way in, make sure it is screwed all the way in, and then you have two terminals on the back. You'll use your meter to test out for ohms with the bulb plugged in. And right now I have a continuity reading, but if I was to unscrew it a little bit and I put the meter to it, you'll see I do not. If this happens and your bulb is all the way screwed in, there's usually a problem inside the socket. Now, if we take a look inside the socket, if we take a look inside the socket, you'll see that inside we have a small pin. Now, sometimes that pin can get pushed down and bent inside, and the bottom of your light bulb will not make contact. If this happens, your socket will need to be replaced. It's not too difficult to do it, but if you are unsure or it makes you nervous, make sure you call a certified technician, and this will complete your overview on the light socket. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.